Hello Odoers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to print purchase request analysis report in PDF format. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here our module Dev Purchase Request Analysis. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to purchase app, go to any order like a 57 and see here this button for print report. Now click on, select here order number, I want to select same 57 and write here days. Now click on this print PDF and see here your printed report in PDF format. Display code, name, price, cost and also display here draft quantity, approve, confirm, done and cancel. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.